Hi, I'm Steve Randall, and I'm excited to introduce the RescueBlox system. I've been a firefighter for over 25 years. I know we have limited crew and restricted time in a rescue, and RescueBlox will be a game changer. RescueBlox are a stronger, safer, faster method to stabilize loads. Let me show you how they work. Let's start off with the RescueBlox in the stowed position. We'll grab either side of the RescueBlox, pull the pin, rotate the sides away from each other, put the swing arm into place, replace the pin. Now we're ready to do some work and create a stable cribbing platform. RescueBlox can be used in the step-up position, the wedge-up position, or it can be used in the toe-up position. And there's two different angles that can be used in the toe-up position. One is a sloped load and the other is a flat load. We cannot put it in the side position. We got several different levels from 4.5 inches up to 10.5 inches, and there's ribs built in to the castings that keep the cribbing from moving in any direction once there's a load on it. We have a working load limit that has been certified by a third party at 25,000 pounds with a 2-to-1 safety factor. So this will make it NFPA compliant. Ultimate test load was 50,000 pounds, which will give us a mid-span limit of 20,000 pounds. By using webbing, you can secure the cribbing to the RescueBlox so you have a stable cribbing platform. The lightning holes were used to reduce the weight of the step chock, which is 18.5 pounds. And they also give us a practical ability to secure our webbing. In both the toe and the heel of the RescueBlox are 5/16 stainless steel set screws that are adjustable and replaceable. The wedges included on the kit can be used on the bottom between the RescueBlox and the ground. They can be used on top of the cribbing. They can be used as opposing to chase the load as the load is raised, or we can use them together as wedges for a higher slope. RescueBlox use less equipment, but allow you to deploy faster with higher load limits and give you the ability to withdraw lifting devices safely.